Alright, so this is a video this morning on how I typically clean up my dog's pee, just to help people make sure they can do it the best job they can. So first of all, we discovered a nice pee right by the dog food bag and trash can. Not uncommon, right? And most people want to pick this up with a paper towel, but I would strongly discourage that because A, paper towel is expensive, and B, it doesn't do that great of a job. What I prefer to do is start with a towel. We call them dog towels. Towels that have just been washed, and just let them sit in the washer, or you hang them up, but you don't dry them. You always want to have them a little bit damp. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and just kind of take this towel and use your foot, keep sanitary, and just kind of go over it with a towel first. Kind of circular motion, you won't spread it all over the place. Different parts of the towel. Alright. My foot's terrible, you can't hardly see it. Okay. Alright. So that's that. I'm gonna walk over here. You can see just from the sun, a lot of people think that, okay, well, I went ahead and I cleaned it up. You don't really see it much anymore, but trust me, it's still there, because you know, the one thing about dog urine, it really can stink after a while, getting to the woodwork. So then there's a lot of products you can use to take the stench out. I use the Resolve Urine Destroyer. It does a pretty good job. About $10 a bottle right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to soak the area. Not too bad. Kind of surrounding area. Try to discourage him from walking away and getting in spots. Smelling it again, and then typically you let that soak for about 5 minutes or so. Okay. And then the next step I do is I get a second towel, because I'm just going to time lapse here for 5 minutes, pretend 5 minutes have gone by. But then I go ahead and I get this second towel right here. Okay. And remember, these are dog towels. They're not meant to be used again by people. And use paper towel for that fact. So just kind of keep that in mind. And then what I'll do is, after I waited 5 minutes, I'll just come by with the dog towel and just kind of wipe it up again with my feet. No need to step on the towel and, get all the moisture out of it, but you want to do what you can. Okay, so that's it. It might seem elaborate. It's a two-step process, but when you got animals and you have mistakes that happen, it can be very unnerving and very upsetting, because it's like, now what am I going to do to clean it all up? And using these dog towels is probably easiest to do. You can leave them outside and wash them with a hose, or you can I usually just throw them in the washing machine for a quick wash setting. I don't know, need to get real fancy on setting them up and cleaning them. So this is my this is what I do. I hope this helps somebody, because I know it can be very annoying when dogs do this type of thing. We love them, but unfortunately not all dogs, no matter how much we try, can get housebroken as much as we like them to be.